Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post UTME past question 19. It says the molecular formula of a common organic laboratory anesthetic is A. Trichloromethane CHCl3, B. Triiodomethane CHI3, C. Tetrachloromethane, which is CCl4, and D. Tetrafluoromethane, which is CHF3. What is anesthetic? The question is asking us for a common organic anesthetic. Now, what is an anesthetic? Now, this anesthetic was gotten from the drugs. It's gotten from the drugs, from the sickness. Sorry, anesthesia. And this anesthesia is like a syndrome where someone forgets or partial loss of concentration, loss of consciousness or concentration. Now, when you cannot actually give account for the things you are doing, when you do not actually have consciousness, and that's anesthesia. Now, anesthetics are actually organic anesthetics in particular actually refers to volatile agents which are specially formulated organic liquids that evaporate readily into vapors. Now, these substances are used to induce anesthesia, like I said. So they are used to induce anesthesia. And I told you what anesthesia is. I said anesthesia is temporary loss of sensation or awareness. Let's put it that way. It's temporary loss of sensation or awareness or consciousness, like I explained. That's anesthesia. Now, these drugs or these substances that are used to induce the temporary loss of sensation or awareness are referred to as anesthetics. Now, they are called anesthetics. Now, examples of anesthetics are trichloromethane, that's CHCl3. Also, we have haloethane, and this haloethane is also an anesthetic with the formula C2HBrClF3. Now let me write it up. C2HBrClF3. So, according to my explanation, you check if you see any of these amongst them, but we have CHCl3, trichloromethane or chloroform, and that's option A. CHCl3 is the correct option A. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more awesome and wonderful videos.